Let's take a look at the setup and first use of the Bambino. Enjoying third-wave specialty coffee is made possible using the 4 keys formula found inside every Sage espresso machine, just like this one. Full-bodied espresso with rich and complex flavors is created using the ideal dose of 18 to 22 grams of freshly ground beans, with a brew water temperature delivered at precisely 93 degrees Celsius, just like a commercial machine. You'll also need the right pressure during the extraction, and this time, bigger is definitely not better. We start with low-pressure pre-infusion, followed by a high-pressure 9-bar extraction process delivered via our 15-bar Italian pump and an overpressure valve. And last but not least, powerful steam pressure at around 130 degrees Celsius is essential for creating shiny, silky microfoam that has a rich, velvety mouthfeel. Without microfoam, latte art is impossible. Right, now let's wash all the parts and accessories and dry thoroughly before use. Soak the filter in water for 5 minutes. Set the new filter to the current month. Assemble the water filter parts and ensure they are firmly connected. Fit the holder snugly into the bottom of the tank and fill with cold water. Place the water tank into the machine. Choose the right filter basket for the coffee you're making. Use a 2-cup filter basket when making 2 coffees, or when you want a stronger coffee. On the other hand, if you are making a single cup or a weaker coffee, use the 1-cup filter basket. You might have noticed there are both single and dual-wall filter baskets with your machine. When your coffee beans are at their peak of 5 to 30 days out of roast, use the single-wall filter basket. But if they're older than 30 days, or the bag has a best before or use by date, use the dual-wall filter basket. Now, let's power it up. Press the 1-cup button, and the machine will commence its first use cycle. Once complete, the machine will go into ready mode, and all the lights will be illuminated. Now the machine is set up, you're ready to make your first coffee.